Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, Outre sent over their Converticap unit in the style Curvy Addiction, and I have it in the color too. Y'all, mwah, this freaking wig is amazing. Like, I was so in love with it that I literally cannot wait to wear it out. I was very tempted to wear it to work, but the only reason I didn't was because I get up late and I try not to have to do a whole lot in the morning, so I wouldn't have the time to put into my hair like I want to. You know what I mean? To make it look like bomb.com. I just be lazy, so I really be going to work looking crazy sometimes, but that's besides the point. So we're installing this wig. It has a super long comb like right in the middle, and then you have two towards the side, and then it has a drawstring pull in the back as well as an additional comb. So I knew that I wanted to try 3 different styles today, and the first one was just going to try to be pull the hair to the side, kind of give myself a side bang. So I pulled out probably about 2 inches back of my hair, and I just did it all the way around the front hairline. Just pulled out my hair in the front so that way we can make this wig look super duper natural. So my hair is natural, and I straightened it out with my hot comb and my flat iron. I'm also going to add some edge control in just a second here, so you guys will see how we're going to bring it to life and make it look very, very neat, clean, simple, and cute. Even though I did say, like, I don't want to get up in the morning having to do all this to my hair, please keep in mind this is still a very quick hairstyle, especially if your hair is already pre-straightened. It'll be very easy to throw on and, do what you want to do with it, because that is the point of these Converticap wigs. You literally have styles on top of styles that you can create. A bit about the texture of the hair. It is a very natural texture hair. I feel like it resembles my hair pretty well. It is a yucky texture. Keep that in mind. Very realistic looking. It's also super secure, y'all. Like, I was very pleased with how secure it felt on my head, and I felt like I could definitely make it tighter if I wanted to, but it is going to not budge, not move, which is a very, very comfortable feeling to have, especially when wearing half wigs, ones that you don't glue down. I feel like we want to feel that security in those type of wigs because we don't want to be embarrassed with it popping off while you're out in public. But with this one, I highly, highly, highly doubt that's going to happen. But once I get these edges laid and slayed, y'all, that's really all that you had to do in order to get this wig snatched and looking good. Okay, I love the loose curls that it has in it. I did not brush mine out because I do feel like over time when I wear it, the curls are most likely going to fall a little bit, so I wanted to make sure I kept the curl pattern in there just a tad bit more. Now do keep in mind you can use heat on this if you do need to add the curls back, but I really liked how it looked without brushing the curls out. But if you want to, some people don't want their curls to be as tight, so you can definitely brush those out. There was no shedding with this unit. Really, really, really appreciate that. No tangling with it at all. Do I put it in the big head category? It was fitting my head pretty snug without using that drawstring in the back, but I still feel like it falls in that big head category because I still had room if I wanted to make it tighter. Even though it felt snug, I feel like I could make it tighter. That makes sense. So this was definitely my fave look right here. Just all down, playful. It was giving. It's super cute. So now we're going to move on to the half up, half down look. Y'all know that's my jam. I definitely love wearing that type of hairstyle with any of my wigs. If it is possible for me to put some up in a half ponytail and keep some down, I will do it. I'm always going to try that look out, and it is literally a go. It is a go with this wig, y'all. It's so freaking cute. The wig is hidden from your natural hair that you pull out. Even when I give you guys a back view of this wig as well, you'll see that you can't see that you're pulling up a half wig. You can't even tell at all. This is a really cute style. And if you want, you can pull up less hair or possibly pull up more hair. I like the amount that I put up into the ponytail, but definitely if you want a more full look, feel free to pull up a little bit more. Now y'all, how poppin' does that style look? It is so freaking cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now look at the back view. It's giving, right? It's giving. So I'm going to do one last style here, and we're just going to do a ponytail look. And I wanted it to look kind of careless. I didn't want it to look like a perfectly snatched ponytail. I felt like it was going to give more of a natural look this way if I kept it a little bit more on the loose, kind of puffy side, if you know what I mean. I feel like you guys get what I'm saying. So I'm going to pull out just a little bit of my hair in the back. Keep in mind, my hair was not straightened from a flat iron or anything like that. It was still in its natural state from being air dried. So definitely, if you want to straighten out the back of your kitchen area, probably be very helpful as well. But I left mine as is, and I'm going to just brush it up into the ponytail. Keep in mind, y'all, this wig did not slide. It did not budge. It did not move at all. It felt so secure. It felt like I was just pulling up my natural hair into a ponytail. I kid you not. So this is another style with this wig I will definitely be wearing. I pulled out my little sideburns a little bit, try to make it a little bit of cute, playful, you know, easy going. Yeah, y'all need to put this wig in your cart right now. Not joking. I love it. I would definitely be getting me a backup because that's how much I like this wig. Keep in mind, if you guys don't want the black, they do offer it in other colors. Just check out that link below and you can see some of the options that you can purchase from online in the different colors that they offer. But this hairstyle is giving. This wig is giving. Definitely 10 out of 10 in my rating. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you again to Outre, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.